Actor politician Kamal Hassan, who has launched a campaign, Name Tirvu, which translates to "We are the solution." Kamal Hassan says that it's time for people to unite and fight against the corona battle in Chennai. What are the details of this particular campaign? We will bring in Shilpa once again on this, but at the moment we know is that Kamal Hassan has launched this campaign which says that we are the solution, and particularly for the city of Chennai, he says that Chennai is known as a city for best healthcare facilities and people should stop it from becoming a coronavirus capital. And the idea behind the campaign is to create an army of volunteers who will serve the needy. Let's go across to Shilpa once again. Shilpa, give us more details about the campaign launched by Kamal Hassan. What exactly is the idea and how does he wish to implement it in Chennai?
Well, Preeti, actor politician Kamal Hassan has just launched his new campaign, Name Tirvu, which means we are the solution. And Kamal Hassan, of course, says that it's time for people to unite and fight against the corona battle in Chennai. He specified, he said that they're specifically looking at Chennai because Chennai was known as the best city for healthcare facilities, and now, people should step in and work to make sure that it does not become the coronavirus capital of the country, because in the last few days, Chennai has been recording a high surge number of COVID-19 cases. So Kamal Hassan says Chennai should be, taken to the green zone from the red zone, and an army of volunteers will now achieve this task. He's given a helpline number 63698 11111 to register, so where people can register complaints or register themselves as volunteers.
All right, an interesting initiative there by Kamal Hassan in making the city, in helping the city really recover from coronavirus pandemic. Thanks very much, Shilpa.